Students, we are discussing nature and scope of business. Already 3 days class over. So, in the new subject, we are doing nature of business for the last 3 days, and today is the fourth day probably. In this sector, we have discussed about the business activities. What was business activities? There is a industrial activities and commercial activities. That table I have made last day. Industrial activities also have 4 parts. There were genetic industry, extractive industry, manufacturing industry, construction industry, those 4. And commercial activities we have also discussed. In the commercial activities part, that are divided in 2 parts. There is a trade and aids to trade. What was trade? Trade was that business definition we have given in the last day, but trade have subdivided in 2 parts, that is home trade and foreign trade. Home trade also divided in 2 parts, that is wholesale trade and retail trade. Next, foreign trade are divided into 3 parts. There are import, export and entry port trade. Entry port trade also called as a re-export trade. And next, which part was remained last day, what we have started, but just in the beginning the class was finished, that was the aids to trade, subdivided in near about 6 parts. That is called also branches of commerce. That I am doing today. Branches of commerce. Branches of commerce also divided in the same way, that is trade and aids to trade. Clear? That is the commercial activities. Last day what we have did, commercial activities. Clear? That business activities have 2 parts, industrial activities and commercial activities. Commercial activities called as a branches of commerce. Branches of commerce also divided into trade and aids to trade. Trade I have discussed. Clear? Home trade, foreign trade, wholesale trade, retail trade, import trade, export trade, entry port trade. Everything I have discussed last day, so I am not elaborating that part. I am discussing aids to trade that have 6 parts. What are those 6 that I am writing here? What are those? First is transportation. Next, warehousing. Banking. Insurance. Advertising and publicity. And last is communication. Clear? Then aids to trade are subdivided into 6 parts. What are those 6 that I have written here? Transportation, warehousing, banking, insurance, advertising and publicity, communication. Now I will define each and every one elaborately. What is transportation? When transportation is required, you know that in the part of the trade there is a wholesale trade, retail trade, import trade, export trade, entry-port or re-export trade, all those. But to make the trade smoothly in all over the country or with the outside of the country, means different countries of the world with our country, transportation is required. Clear? Why transportation is required? Because all the goods are producing not every part of the country or every countries of the world. So different countries are producing different type of goods. Similarly, in our country, particular type of goods are producing in very few places of the country. Clear? Very few places. So which type of goods have been produced by the industrial sector, by the factory, by the manufacturing unit, that must be transported from one place to another to sell the goods to the customers, to sell the goods to the ultimate consumers. Clear? So that had been smoothly done by the wholesaler, distributor, retailer. But they will get the goods at first. To get the goods, transportation is very much important. Without better transport system, the goods will not be transported from one place to another. Who are the mode of the transport? Mode of the transports are like water transport, like air transport, road transport, railway transport. Those are the mode of the transport by which the goods from one place to another to be reached. So few goods are there which are very heavy goods. Those are normally transported by railways, by ships, steamers, launches, like this way. Clear? Like lighter goods, those are transported by the airways. Not only that, some are perishable goods. Clear? Who are called perishable goods? Like milk, butter, chicken, mutton, fruits, perishable goods. So that will be transported very fast. Either that will be damaged. So those are coming by different mode of transport, different mode of transport, but very fast. Clear? To reach the proper place by which that to be sold to the customer as early as possible. So transportation must be done properly by those 4 means of transportation. Clear? So transportation have a very vital role in the trade or in the economic development of a country. Without transportation, it is not possible. So better road, better railway track must be made. In case of air transport, in case of water transport, such type of conditions are not there. Still, in case of water transport, the river should be clear, because steamer launches, boats, that should be passed by the river. So grazing is necessary into the rivers. So I am not going to be far in the transportation. I think you have understood about this, how the goods to be transported from one place to another by different mode of transport, which is helping to the commerce, to the business, to the trade. So due to that reason, it is called aids to trade. That means helping to the aids means helping. In English, you have read that helping verbs: may, might, must, can, could, shall, should, will, would, like this. So this is also aids or help to the trade. Those 6. Transportation, you are clear. Now we are going to the warehousing. What is warehousing? Which goods are transported by the different modes of transport from one place to another. Then goods are not to be sold to the customer or consumer by the same day. It will take time. Slowly, within 7 days, it may be within 15 days, it may be 1 month, it may be 6 months, the goods to be sold. Perishable goods must be sold within very short period of time, very fast. The other goods which will not be damaged within a short period of time, the long lasting goods will slowly that to be sold to the customer or consumer. So, which goods have been transported by different means of transport, those will come in your place. It may be in Malda, it may be in Siliguri, it may be Kolkata, it may be Delhi, Mumbai, anywhere in our country. Then those goods not to be kept into the transportation system, that will come to the warehousing system. What is warehousing? Warehousing means godown, where the goods will be kept for few days, few weeks, few months, here, or maybe up to 6 months, it may be 1 year, like this. So warehousing necessary. According to the goods quantity, according to the goods size, the different type of warehousing or godown system are there in our country, in different places. Like you can see that in Bankura, Hooghly, Howrah, Bardhaman, in these districts, so many different type of cold storage are there. Why cold storage they have made? Because which type of goods have, or the commodities have been produced by agricultural sector, they are keeping their goods into the cold storage, like potatoes, like lady fingers, different type of agricultural product are keeping into the cold storage, because that not to be damaged within a short period of time. Clear? So warehousing is necessary. Without proper warehousing system, the goods cannot be kept properly, and that will be damaged within a very short period of time if that will be the perishable goods. And the system of the goods of loading and unloading also necessary. Clear? Some transport system which are coming by the road, they are going to the cold storage and they are loading proper ways, proper system, and according to the demand of the customer, the retailers or the wholesalers are collecting those goods and ultimately reach to the hand of the customers or consumers. So warehousing or godown is necessary. You can see in your town also so many godowns who are the business persons, businessmen. They are keeping so many godowns to keep their goods for a long period of time. According to the need or requirement, they are selling it and keeping their retail shop full from the godown and selling it to the ultimate customers. Next is banking. What is the banking? Why banking is necessary? Banking is that sector who are helping or to the trade largely, because so many different type of business persons are there, so many different type of business sectors are there, like sole proprietorship business, like partnership business, like company form of business, clear, cooperative form of business. So different type of business sectors are there in our country. Banking is helping to those sectors by giving the capital to them. Clear? That banking sector in our country is very much helpful to develop our economy, to develop their different business person, different business sectors by paying their cash or supplying their different type of amount of money to utilize that money as a capital for a short period of time or middle term period or the long term period, it depends. What banking sector are collecting? Since they are providing such type of benefits as a capital to the different businessmen, they are collecting interest from those business persons, but that how much capital they have already given on that capital they are collecting interest. This is the benefit or the earning of the banking sector of our country. So banking this is the lifeblood. Like without blood our physical part of the bodies cannot survive. Similarly, banking is the life blood of the business sector. Clear? That is supplied to the different sector of the business and by which they are earning interest. And business sector largely developed in our country by getting such type of help from the banking sector. Clear? So bank have a large function in our economic sectors. Next is insurance. Clear? Then I have already discussed transportation, warehousing, banking. Very important, all those. And remember, few of those have a separate chapter also in your book. Clear? They have elaborately discussed in separate chapters. There is short discussion are there regarding different points. There is next is insurance. What is the function of insurance? Why insurance is necessary? We know that insurance or the life insurance, about this very few people aware about the life insurance. Life insurance is separate sector, but in case of business, separate type of insurance like general insurance, like national insurance are there. What are the help of them? That type of insurance sector helping to the business sectors in different ways. Because if the business sectors, it may be sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock firm or any other firms have made their insurance by paying the premium to the insurance companies, then at the time of damage, destroy, flood, earthquake, whatever may be, clear, due to the natural calamities or any other reason which have been already written into the agreement between the insurance company and the party. Clear? That means insurer and insured. Between these two parties, few agreement have been made earlier. On the basis of that, premium had been paid by the different business sectors to the insurance company, by which they are getting benefited. What type of benefit? If any type of damage that I have told you earlier, any type of damage, destruction, any type of flood occurred, earthquake, drought, whatever may be, which have been already made into the agreement between the two parties, then insurance companies will give the price to the insurance holder. Clear? So insurance holder will be benefited. Not only benefited, they can survive their business for a further period. Either insurance company, if not there in the country, then due to any type of damage or destruction, the business will be collapsed. That family will be collapsed, or indirectly, the economic system will be collapsed. Clear? Like you know that just 6 to 7 days or 8 days before, there was a cyclone, Amphan cyclone have occurred in our state. 6 to 7 districts fully collapsed near to. So, which type of business sector have made their insurance inside of the insurance company through the agreement by paying the premium, they will survive. They will claim to the insurance company that pay me the price. Because of different type of natural calamities, we have suffered a lot. Our rice or the wheat, whatever may be, or any type of products which have due to the rain, due to the cyclone, storm, they have damaged, pay the price to us. Because we have paid the premium to you, to the insurance company, to avoid any type of risk or uncertainties due to natural calamities or for other reasons. You can see different type of accidents have been occurred into the road, railways, waterways, sometimes airways also. But in the roadways, maximum number of accident than the other mode of transportation. So those bus, taxi, lorry, truck, whatever may be, bikes, all are insured properly. They are paying the premium. Due to that reason, when the accidents occur, those business sector of the bus, lorry, truck, the other mode of transport are claiming to the insurance company that pay me the price how much damage have been made of our transport. They are getting, due to that reason, business can survive for a further or long period of time. Insurance are helping like this way. So insurance have a big role, large role into the aids to trade to run the business smoothly for a long period of time. Next is advertising and publicity. What is advertising and publicity? That different type of goods are produced either by the, you have read in trade, there is a different industrial sectors are there is a manufacturing industry, there is a construction industry, clear, extractive industry, genetic industry. By those which type of goods are produced, that is a finished product, those products are advertised and publicity must be made. Without it, the people will not be aware about the goods. So different type of advertisement have been made into the television, into the newspapers, into the other mode of medias here, which we can see. We are aware about this, then we are going to the different shops to purchase such type of goods. Like you can see, to made the advertisement by the Hindustan Unilever Limited, by the ITC company. Those type of companies are advertising largely into the television, into the newspapers, into the other mode of channels. By this we are aware that this such type of goods to be purchased because that is better than that. They are sometimes comparing between 2 or 3 different type of goods. That comparison also is important, by which a customer or consumer can choose their goods which to be purchased, which will be benefited to that particular people. Clear? So like Lux advertisement have been made by the Aishwarya Rai. So few people are going to the market to purchase just Lux because Aishwarya Rai are looking goods to use Lux. Like Coca-Cola have been advertised by the Hrithik Roshan. Clear? So why the people are going to purchase Coca-Cola not only for Hrithik Roshan, but people are getting the awareness such type of product things are there. But you the student don't use this. This is a very bad product. All cold drinks are very bad. So don't use this. But the advertising and publicity have a great impact of our economic system, by which the people get the awareness. Like Bisleri, like Aquafina, those are also advertised by the different medias, by which we are aware and we are purchasing it whenever we are going by the railways to different places of our cities or towns, or by the bus in different places of the rural areas or urban areas, we are purchasing it. Clear? So due to the advertising and publicity, we are getting the awareness. Last is communication. Why communication is necessary? Because the recent trend is very much important. What importance are there? That by the communication we are getting the awareness of all over the world. In near about in the year 92, 93, 94, in that time, there was one condition was or the agreement have been made between the government and the other countries, that is LPG, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization. Due to that, all types of goods all over the world come to our country, and we are aware that these goods is that price and that is better. We can measure all the different type of goods. So it is happening due to communication. Now today's communication system have been developed largely in your hand there is a small type of phone, clear, just 10 to 8, 12 years before. Nowadays in our hand there is a smartphone. You know what is a smartphone? By this WhatsApp, Facebook, so many different type of communication mode or the channels we can open, clear, and we are getting the awareness of it, clear. So communication have a very large role in our economic system. Without communication we will not get the proper awareness. Business getting the help of that the wholesaler calling to the retailer that your goods are reaching within a short period of time, or your goods have been sent by that type of transport, it will reach by 6 o'clock or 8 o'clock or 12 o'clock. That retailer will go to certain place and collect those goods. So without communication that is not possible. Nowadays you can within a few seconds, within a few minutes, you will be communicated with the different sector of the world by the mobile phones, by the smartphones. It was not possible just 20 to 30 years back. Very easy communication was not there. There was a letter, there was a inland letter, there was a letter have been sent by the envelope, and it takes time. 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, it may reach, it may not reach. Post office was helping us to get the communication in better ways. There was telegram, so many systems are there, but it takes time to reach the people. Not very short period of time, it takes time. But nowadays, due to smartphone, due to mobile, due to satellite help, we are getting better communication system in our country. Not only in our country, all over the world. So, due to that reason, communication also a big role in the aids to trade or helping the trade. Here. So, those are the 6 points I have elaborately discussed for today. Next day, we will go to the next part of this. Read it carefully from your book. If any confusion or any doubt, I will clear it. But 6 points, go through it from your book. Okay. Thank you, students. Read it carefully.